Hey, Billy Freddy's here with you, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can search and do some browsing on Google and a company that'll pay you about $35 per hour. In fact, they used to pay about $25. Now they've increased it, and they're looking for people who can just browse, search, and it's free to get started, and anybody in the world can do this, okay? So with that being said, we'll get right into it. But first, hit that subscribe button because I got some more cool stuff coming your way. I'm always looking to share more videos and ways and opportunities to help you earn side income and actually make a bigger passive income if that's what you want to learn how to do, right? In fact, this is exactly what I do. Is I run a full automated business that generates passive income for me and high ticket. So if you'd love to learn exactly how I'm doing that, then definitely click my #1 link below this video in my description. That'll show you exactly step by step my process, how to generate passive income even while I'm traveling, even while I'm sleeping, right? With that being said, let's hop in and I'll show you this quick task that you can participate in and earn some side cash on your own time and about $35 per hour. So this website is called askwonder.com, okay? And what you would do is you would come here and become an analyst, okay? So very simple to get signed up with. And what they need is they're looking for people who will do research for them. Now they're partnered up with big brands like Shell and Hewlett-Packard, right? And they need certain people who will do research and find answers for them, okay? So the thing that you'll be able to participate in, you go to Google and find answers to these questions. Like some of these questions are actually very simple. I think anybody can do this. Like how many gyms in the U.S. provide equipment for boxes? How many flexible packaging machines are currently in the U.S.? Please provide demographics as for residents in the 3 miles. How much alcohol is consumed each night worldwide? Very easy questions you can probably find on Google, and there's probably a lot of websites like Quora.com that you can actually find these answers online, and all you do is you bring answers and they'll pay you. So you'll be participating in these tasks on your own time, and you don't want to so much become a member. Is what you want to do is become an analyst. So when you click here, you'll be somebody who can provide the answers and they will pay you for this, okay? So complete this 5-minute application to get started. So I think anybody can really do this. It's your first name, last word, email, password. You choose which country or where you are, where you're located. I'm not a robot. I agree, and you just start the application. And once you're approved, right, you're good to go. So I think it's not that complicated, and all the information is on this website. So if you have any questions, you can actually go down here, and you can even email them and ask the company. They're actually located in New York. So they have all the information on their website as far as any questions that go towards this particular source. Definitely reach out to them. All right. So this is a great way, I think, for you to earn some side cash if you like to browse online, anyways, and you like to do some research. This can pay you some side income. But hey, if you're not somebody who likes to do a lot of research and participate in tasks, just to earn, a little bit here, a little bit there, then I can introduce my best source that's allowing me to make a bigger passive income. In fact, if you've been following my channel, I always share my case studies, my income proof on and off, exactly what I'm earning, and different opportunities that can help you earn money online, right? So definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos, right? But with that being said, I'm also going to recommend my best source that's allowing me to make more passive income consistently, right? On a daily basis, I wake up and I see income coming in because I set up an automated business, right? It's a digital automated business that continues to run, and I can show you how to do this step by step. So if you want to learn how to do that, that's going to be my #1 link below this video in my description. If you click that link, it'll take you step by step and get you plugged in into my #1 source that's allowing me to make more passive income and bigger commissions. All right, this is more sustainable, long term, and anybody in the world can do this as long as you're over 18. So with that being said, this is Billy, and I wish you success. Give me a thumbs up if you like these walkthrough tutorials, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos because I got some more cool stuff coming. See you soon.